Hi everyone, we will be upgrading Windows 10 to Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. The version of Windows 10 installed here is Pro, and for this we won't even need a USB drive. For all this video, I'll be using this lovely Dell Optiplex 790. The one I have here has a Core i5 2310. When launching the Windows 11 setup or PC health check app, it shows I can't perform an upgrade to Windows 11. It tells me that my PC is not compatible. It doesn't have a secure boot nor TPM enabled. It tells me that my process also not compatible. Let's work around that. I'll be using to combine Windows 10 installer, Windows 11 installation files. The first thing we need is Windows 10 ISO. Open your Microsoft Edge browser and type Windows 10 ISO download. Click on Microsoft website. Here you can see create Windows 10 installation media, but no ISO file download option. Now we go to the developer tools in our browser. Then to the three dots here, more tools, and select network condition. Here we can change the user agent and pretend we are on Chrome OS. If we now refresh our page, we do get the option to download the ISO. Now select the latest ISO. Selecting Windows 10, confirming it. Note, you have to select language which is currently installed in your system language, otherwise upgrade will not work. I am selecting international language, English International. Now selecting 64-bit, download. The download ISO file will take some time. It depends upon your internet speed, how long or fast it will download. For this I am using my internet download manager to download it fastly. Windows 10 22H2 English International. Now it's downloaded. Confirming. We can see Windows 10 download. Now open your browser again and download Windows 11 ISO. For downloading Windows 11 ISO, we don't need to change user agent as its option is available. Selecting Windows 11 ISO and click on download. Again note to select the same language here as you selected in Windows 10 ISO. Selecting English International, confirm. Download 64-bit ISO. Again Windows 11 22H2 English International 64-bit. Download is complete. As you can see, we have both ISOs 10 and 11 ISO. Now double click on Windows 10 ISO. It will mount a virtual DVD drive. Selecting all these files, copying it and making a new folder. I am naming it Windows 11 installation. Open this folder and paste selected files. After copying, eject the virtual drive. Now double click on Windows 11 ISO. It will mount a virtual DVD drive. Here, go to sources folder and search for install.wim. Copy this file and paste this file in folder we have created, Windows 11, and paste in sources folder. Paste this file and replace install.vm here. Now it's done. Now just copy this folder on your desktop. Open this folder and simply run setup.exe. Make sure to disable the option to fetch updates here and continue. Installer and the look and the feel is all Windows 10. Don't worry, this will upgrade to Windows 11. Click on OK. As you can see here, install Windows 11 Pro, keep personal files and apps. Now clicking on install will install Windows 11 on this PC. Now as you can see, Windows installing. This process will take some time. Relax and watch Windows 11 installation. It will restart several times during installation. Getting device ready. Subscribe. Beautiful Windows 11 is finally installed. Now entering my password. Now it will take some more time, so watch and relax. Beautiful animation and colors of Windows 11. Almost there. As we can see, all my data and apps are here. Opening my Outlook to see if it's working. Yes, it's working. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you